Welcome to our channel. Enjoy and learn English via listening. Dining at a restaurant alone.
Hi. How are you doing this afternoon?
Fine, thank you. Can I see a menu, please?
Certainly, here you are.
Thank you. What's today's special?
Grilled tuna and cheese on rye.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a Coke.
Thank you. Here you are. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything else?
No thanks. I'd like the check, please.
That'll be $14.95.
Here you are. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Goodbye.
At a restaurant with friends.
The spaghetti looks really good.
It is. I had it the last time I was here.
How is the pizza, Alice?
It's good, but I think the pasta is better. What would you recommend?
I'd recommend the lasagna. It's excellent.
That sounds great. I'll have that.
Fine. Would you like an appetizer?
No, lasagna is more than enough for me.
I think I'll have the lasagna as well.
Right. That's 2 lasagnas. Would you care for an appetizer?
Yes, I'll take the calamari.
Oh, that sounds good. I can't decide between the chicken marsala and grilled fish. The fish is fresh, so I'd recommend that. Great. I'll have the fish. I'd also like a salad. What would you like to drink?
I'll have water.
I'd like a beer.
I'll take a glass of red wine. Thank you. I'll get the drinks and the appetizers.
Thank you.
Conversations in the airport.
Good afternoon. Where are you flying to today?
New York.
May I have your passport, please?
Here you go.
Are you checking any bags?
Just this one.
Okay, please place your bag on the scale.
I have a stopover in Chicago. Do I need to pick up my luggage there?
No, it'll go straight through to New York. Here are your boarding passes. Your flight leaves from gate 15A and it'll begin boarding at 3:20. Your seat number is 26E.
Thanks.
Please lay your bags flat on the conveyor belt and use the bins for small objects.
Do I need to take my laptop out of the bag?
Yes, you do. Take off your hat and your shoes, too. Please step back. Do you have anything in your pockets, keys, cell phone, loose change?
I don't think so. Let me try taking off my belt.
Okay, come on through. You're all set. Have a nice flight.
Conversation on the plane.
Chicken or pasta?
Sorry.
Would you like chicken or pasta?
I'll have the chicken.
Anything to drink?
What kind of soda do you have?
Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Orange, and Dr. Pepper.
A Diet Coke, no ice, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
At customs.
Do you have anything to declare, sir?
Just some wine and cigarettes.
How much wine do you have?
4 bottles.
That's fine. And how many cigarettes?
I have 20 packs.
I'm afraid you're only allowed 280 cigarettes. You'll have to pay duty on the rest.
Oh. How much is it?
It's £12.95.
Here you are.